Well, we're fast tracking things here in the master bath, and now that the cabinets are done, we're ready for countertops. What we're going with is a quartz solid surface, and this is the sample of the color that we've chosen. The color is named after a seaside village in Wales called Fairbourne. Number one, because the family that owns the company traces their lineage back to Wales, and also because the color of the stone is a lot like the sandy beaches in that village. There is some fabrication involved, and to get that process started, Corey Bass has come out to get some very precise information on how the materials should be cut and finished to fit the space that we have here. It's a digital templating system using dots, panels, and a camera to gather up all the data they need to put together a template for fabrication. So Corey, getting a really accurate template is the best way to make sure these Cambria countertops fit, right?
That's right, it is important. We used to use plywood templates and Luan strips. However, going digital is going to get us a lot more accurate, and it's going to save us time on installation as well.
So your first step is laying out these dots. So I'm watching you, and how do you know where to put them?
Our dots act as measure points.
Okay.
So we're going to set them on the cabinetry, and we're going to string them along the walls. And the system is going to recognize each one of the large dots.
Okay.
And that is going to give us an accurate scribe for any inconsistencies in the walls.
Okay.
We're also going to put them on the front of our cabinets. If cabinets aren't set exactly in plane, the system is going to recognize that, and we're going to be able to adjust the stone for an accurate fit.
So, and then what about corners and curves?
We'll string them along curves for an accurate measure there, but there is no such thing as a 90-degree angle in construction. So we want to grab the corners as well, so the countertops are going to match that turn.
So next thing you have are these plates. What are you doing with these?
We've got a series of metal plates that
Okay.
we use, and we'll take a picture of these metal plates along with all the dots on the cabinetry and on the walls. The system that analyzes all these photos knows the grouping of the black dots on these metal plates.
Okay.
It uses this known information to triangulate the position of the dots we have on the walls and on the cabinets.
Okay.
That gives us a plan view in AutoCAD that's accurate within a 1/16 of an inch.
Whoa, 16, that's pretty good.
It is.
Okay, now it looks like you have all your dots ready to go and you're ready for pictures. So tell us about what you're using for that.
We've got a digital camera that there's really nothing special about the digital camera other than the templating manufacturer has taken and calibrated the camera for the correct aperture, focus settings, flash settings. I'm going to start with 3 pictures of our first plate, and then I'm going to work my way down to the end and 3 pictures of the last. Then I'll come back, I'll take a bunch of overalls as well. In all, it'll be a total of about 30 to 40 pictures.
So taking all these pictures, what does that do?
So we'll take pictures of the pairs of plates,
Okay.
and then we'll take overall pictures linking 3 and 4 plates together. And that gives the system an overall view of how all the plates relate to all the dots on the cabinet.
So now once you have all your pictures taken, how exactly does that become a template?
We load all those pictures into the Phototop system. That will then analyze those photos, and that will give us a dot view, a plan view of this bathroom. We'll connect the dots, do our production drawings, and send those down to the fabrication facility. They'll use those drawings to fabricate the countertops.
So we're going to actually get to see them make our countertop from your work today. So thanks so much for coming out.
Thank you.
So do you think that we'll actually get to see it come off the line all polished and done?